use the Light Lab in various ways. While Christy was working with students in the design studio, I was working with children in the fabrication studio, and Bree Daly was working with other children in the media and computing studio to put all of this together. I worked on our 5th grade buddies on Friday afternoons. They use the recording studio in small groups to record their fun facts